So let's see how to make this ragda. It's very simple. Now here I've taken 1 cup of this white vatana, washed it well under water thrice, and then I'm going to soak this in about 2 to 3 cups of water for about 6 to 7 hours. So just cover and keep it and set it aside for 6 to 7 hours so that it nicely gets soaked up in the water. Now after 6 to 7 hours, we're going to pressure cook this for 1 whistle on high, and then we're going to simmer it on a low flame for 15 minutes till it's nice and soft. Then let the pressure cooker completely cool down, and then you're just going to mash the vatanas, and it's very easy to mash it because it's really soaked well and it's cooked well. So then just use a pav bhaji masher or a potato masher and just mash it up. Don't mash the entire thing, but keep a little bit of it, a little bit of the vatanas like this. And now I'm just going to heat up the mixture again and just add a little bit of salt and mix everything together. Cook it for about 5 minutes and your ragda is all ready. So wasn't that really simple? Now some people do add a little bit of turmeric powder for the color, but I just like to add plain salt. Now let's move on to see how we're going to make the pattices. This is also super simple. So here I've taken about 5 to 6 potatoes, medium-sized potatoes, from which I got 13 pattices, which is fine for a family of 4. Wash it well and then pressure cook it on 1 whistle on high and simmer for 10 minutes. Once the pressure cooker is nice and cool, just see whether the potatoes are cool, take them out and just set them aside. Now once you're able to handle them, just peel them and then just smash the potatoes really well. Now I'm just going to add some salt and again mash this really well. Now we're going to flavor it with some other seasonings. So here I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder or dhania, just about half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, a little bit of chaat masala, about a teaspoon or so. And just mix all of this really well together. Now I leave the links to all the masalas, how I grind the coriander powder at home and cumin powder, how I make my garam masala. So you'll find all of that in the description box below. Now we're just going to add about 4 tablespoons of corn flour. This helps to bind the patties really well. You can also substitute it with some rice flour if you don't have corn flour at hand. And now we're going to use our hands. So before that, we're just going to add a little bit of coriander, freshly chopped dhania or coriander leaves. And now we're going to mix all of this really well. So this corn flour helps to bind the entire mixture together so that your mixture, can form nice pattices and they don't break. Now I'm just going to wet my hands with some cold water, and that makes it easier to form these pattices. So just form the pattices and flatten them a bit. So like I said, from the amount, I used about 5 or 6 medium-sized potatoes. I got 13 pattices. Now I'm just going to heat about 2 tablespoons of oil. I like to use this flat dosa tawa. It's easier to, make the pattices. And then you're just going to shallow fry them till they're nice and golden brown on both sides. This gets ready really quickly. So you can always prepare this mixture a day ahead. Prepare all the chutneys and keep, ahead. I'll leave a link to how I prepare my green chutney in the description box below, how I prepare my tamarind chutney. So you can go and check out all the recipes. They're really simple. And you can prepare the ragda also and keep a little ahead of time. And then all you have to do is just assemble everything. All you require is some shev and some chopped up onions and some coriander for garnish. Like you will see, I'm going to show you at the end of the video how to assemble it. So this is how your ragda, the pattices should look. Nice and golden brown in color. So you can just leave them, when you're ready to serve, just leave them on a medium or low heat on the tawa. So that way they're nice and hot. So now I'm going to show you how I assemble this lovely and delicious chaat, which is ragda pattice. So now first I either use a flat plate or a kind of a flattish bowl. I start by putting the ragda at the base. Then I'm going to place the pattices, preferably 2. Then we're going to apply this green chutney. Then we're going to go with the sweet tamarind and khajur chutney. Then I'm going to sprinkle some very finely chopped onion. some very fine shave, and then some coriander, and that's it, guys. This lovely ragda patties is all ready, and it's so very delicious. Do give it a try. I just thought I'd pop in and let you know about my Amazon storefront. Go and check it out. The link is down in the description box below. It's products that I generally buy on Amazon or I would recommend with regard to best prices and good quality. So go and check out the link. So I hope you try out this recipe and let me know in the comments box how you like today's recipe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up by clicking on the thumbs up icon. I need those thumbs ups. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do, and hit the red subscribe button that you see below this video. Once you have subscribed, a little bell icon will show up. Click that, because that way whenever I put up a new recipe, you'll get a message for the same. Also, I have more than 500 recipes on my channel, so if you're looking for any particular recipe, when you go to the YouTube app and there's a search button, type the recipe you're looking for and immediately type Akshata's recipes and my recipe will pop up first. For instance, if you're looking for vanilla ice cream with 3 ingredients, just type vanilla ice cream, Akshata's recipe, and mine will be the first. So that's the way to find me on YouTube. I also am very active on my Facebook page and my Instagram account. Both the links will be left in the description box below. You can go and check it out. So thank you so much for watching today's video and being a part of my channel. Take care of yourselves, guys. Stay safe, stay at home, stay healthy, stay fit, and be loving and kind to one another. And I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. I'm signing off. Take care. Bye.